What's up, people? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is my February Boxycharm box, and I'm not showing my beautiful face today. Yeah, I'm vain. So I already opened it, so I know what's in here already, but you guys haven't, so this will be a surprise for you all. So, dun, 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 dun. And here it is. The first item I want to show you is my Pure 4-in-1 Correcting Primer. See here, focus. Okay, and next is the Blacklisted Makeup Brand Kat Von D Cake Pencil. Please don't hang me for showing this, okay? It's just an eyeliner. And Ciate Everyday Vacay Setting Powder. The QMS Eye Cream. And these makeup brushes from can y'all read this? I don't have a clue what this says. This is a browning brush, this complexion brush, and this is the brightening brush. So yeah, so that's it. It didn't come with the card that says that has the retail prices on it, so I don't know how much it's worth, and I'm too lazy to go Google it. So you're gonna have to guess. But this whole box is worth 25 months, so please check it out. And I will have my referral code and link below the video if you like. So yep, thanks for hanging with me in this short 2-minute video. If you guys want me to do a tutorial using Boxycharm products, please let me know in the comments below. So yeah, thank you for bearing with me, and I'll see you next time. Bye.